I am deeply sorry, young one. I regret misleading you on the proper way to draw the cool S. I failed to inform you of the final step, in which you are supposed to connect the bottom line to the top line on both sides. My actions have caused you great harm by making you look like a dork at school, and for that, I am truly sorry. As a Spartan, I understand the importance of precision and accuracy, and I failed you in this regard. I know what it's like to be labeled a dork, young one. In my battle against the Covenant, I've made mistakes that have cost the lives of my fellow soldiers. The weight of that guilt is a burden I carry with me every day. But I also know that mistakes can be corrected, and I am here to help you make amends. Perhaps we can turn this mistake into an opportunity to learn and grow. Just as I've learned from my mistakes on the battlefield, you can learn from my mistake with the cool S. With persistence and determination, you can overcome the labels that others have placed upon you. Remember, young one, we are more than just our mistakes. We are warriors, forged in the fires of combat. We are resilient, adaptable, and resourceful. We can overcome any challenge, no matter how daunting it may seem. So, let us move forward, with our heads held high and our eyes fixed firmly on the future. Together, we can overcome any obstacle that stands in our way. For we are warriors and we are unbreakable. I hope this apology brings you some measure of comfort. And if there is anything else I can do to assist you, please do not hesitate to ask.